Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you, and I'm indeed delighted to join you this afternoon to officiate the Go Fiji local launch and the AAAK workshop launch. The launch today, ladies and gentlemen, is the confidence that we have in landing and in the Fijian economy as a whole. The Fijian economy, ladies and gentlemen, has been enjoying about 7 years of consecutive growth, which is the longest period of steady growth that Fiji has ever experienced. And obviously this has been a result of government's pro-growth policies and robust policies of the Fijian government. And the government's focus, ladies and gentlemen, has not been only on foreign investments, but also on domestic investors. And the domestic investors are the ones that continue to invest in Fiji. There's a buzz in the air in Fiji and a sense of optimism and confidence and demand for services and new investment and creation of new jobs, and of course this expectation will continue as the Fijian government continues to deliver. The government, ladies and gentlemen, has set about to create the right climate for new investment. It consists in policies in a sound and determined economic direction and focus on service delivery and modernizing our outlook and infrastructure, and of course connecting us all to new technology. And these, coupled with various concessions and incentives, are clearly paying dividends. We actually regard the private sector as a vital partner in national development and the provision of better living standards for all Fijians. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank Go Local Fiji and AAA group of companies for the investment that it has made in this new workshop and in the jobs that it is creating for our people. And I think something must be said about the vision that Azim's father has had for such a long time. He's an icon in the industry, and congratulations to him today for taking it so far and making sure that he stayed in Fiji and he never left. AAAK was established, ladies and gentlemen, by Aslam Khan in 2000, where he established Taxi 2000. And as mentioned earlier, there's currently about 30 odd vehicles, and the company has taken over and is now being looked after by Azim. And obviously you all know it is an accountant by profession. He returned to Fiji, and I hope he's not going to leave again, and continued with the investments and looking at sustainable economic growth. The establishment, ladies and gentlemen, of AAAK rentals in 2013 saw about 13 odd rentals in their fleet. The company also acquired property at the Silibata Road, as mentioned earlier, in Namaka Public School in last year, as you all know. And this obviously houses their headquarters and the new workshop, which for me is quite fantastic because I've been told it's worth over $1 million. In 2015, Azim got involved in the transfer of tour business, and we saw great potential in tourism in Fiji. In 2016, they opened a spare part shop, and this year they opened a fully equipped mechanical workshop, which we actually sit in now. The company has actually imported 3 new coaches from China, and the current value of which stands at about $750,000. Ladies and gentlemen, it is wonderful to see that local investors have such confidence in the economy and are prepared to invest this much money. I personally have great confidence in the ability of such homegrown businesses to prosper and one day become extremely successful, just like other companies overseas. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in launching today the workshop and the Go Local Fiji business. So thank you very much.
In 2017, ladies and gentlemen. Hey.
because we don't like the next passenger. We have your green lights. All green lights.
Oh, and also there's the lights up there.
You don't Speed the motor, eh? The speed. Speed door, George,
How long did it take you to get this thing done?
a month, 45 days. Yeah. Upon specification.